She's really growing up, aren't we?
I know.
It's amazing.
Yeah, we've been discovered.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's no more secret. It's
Yeah.
out. Natalie, we got some thunderstorms. You're
Okay.
probably hearing that, folks, here in and around the downtown area. Some boomers are moving through associated with this little tiny thunderstorm. Now, it is generating some pockets of heavy rain, but you can see it right here. Let's zoom in on it with the Doppler radar. That little donut hole that you're seeing right there, this is where the actual radar site is located at the airport. But all this yellow and the orange color, that is some moderate to occasionally heavy rain that's rapidly moving from the west to the east. Again, this thing is just scooting along at about 35 miles per hour. So as a result, the primary storm track is going to take it right across Blacks Creek, and you can see it looks like it's coming very close to Lucky Peak. It's going to be affecting the airport. It's going to be affecting the rest of us here in downtown Boise up toward the foothills. So it's a pretty good little thunderstorm, and this is just part. I wish we had a microphone outside. This is just part of the very active weather pattern that we're going to be seeing here over the next few days. So let's talk about the tropics right now. There is Hurricane Jose, not much of a concern. Minimal hurricane, 75 miles per hour, should remain off the coastline. Here is Hurricane Maria. This is going to be the significant storm that's going to be making a lot of news in the days to come. Very, very small, well-defined eye of the hurricane, 130 mile per hour winds, now just upgraded to Category 4 status. And it is moving to the west-northwest at about 9 miles per hour. So here's where the present forecast track is for this hurricane. It's going to be driving it right over San Juan, Puerto Rico. Now, the last system that we had, which was Irma, hit the northeastern islands. This one is hitting the islands just a little bit down to the south here over the Lesser Antilles, but this is going to be tracking over a very densely populated island as a Category 4 hurricane with winds possibly as high as 150 miles per hour. Should stay just north of the Dominican Republic and then impact the same area that was impacted with Irma a couple of weeks ago, and that was the Turks and Caicos and the southern Bahamas. And then as it begins to turn to the north, it should begin to weaken. Should not be a concern for the state of Florida in the days to come. 59 degrees is going to be the forecast temperature tomorrow, 60 degrees on Wednesday. Look at these temperatures all staying way below the average line of 78 degrees. And this is the hyperactive weather pattern I've been talking about with this very strong jet stream that just keeps pulling in one storm system after another. And the models are indicating by the end of the week, the jet stream dips down even further into the western United States. So this is going to keep our pattern unsettled. Look for periods of rain, chilly temperature readings with mountain snows getting down to about 6,500 feet by tomorrow night and early Wednesday morning. In fact, we could see about 1 to 4 inches of snow at or above 6,500 feet here over the next 24 to 36 hours. The mountains are going to be, the valleys are going to be seeing a scattering of showers tomorrow. Then rain is going to be likely on Wednesday because the Wednesday front is going to be the stronger of the series of disturbances moving on through. Thursday and Friday, I still can't rule out the possibility of at least a few showers, but we do start drying out this weekend and we go back to normal next week with temperature readings warming back up to 70 degrees. And the mountains are going to be seeing rain likely tomorrow, rain likely with high elevation mountain snow on Wednesday, a scattering of showers on Thursday. It should dry out this weekend in the high country as well.
We really have flipped a switch.
You're not kidding. It was a big throw switch.
Yeah.
You know, the kind that Igor flipped for Dr. Frankenstein.
Exactly.
Big one, exactly.
All right.